Hello there and welcome back to Aussie Maths. In this video we're going to have a look at how we can add fractions with like denominator. So when I say like denominator, what we're talking about is this has a denominator of 8 and this fraction also has the same denominator 8. When we've got this situation, it's actually quite easy to add the fractions together because they're the same size pieces. And since they're the same size pieces, we know our answer is going to be in eighths. We've got one of them plus three more of them, so we know 1 plus 3 is 4. So our answer is going to be 4/8. So you can see very clearly what we've done here. Here's a circle, so we're going to say that's representing a whole. And it's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. What I'll do is I'll colour in one of them. And underneath the 3/8, I'll colour in 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And since this is an addition, combine this piece with these 3 pieces, that's going to be the same as 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces coloured in. Here we've got 5/10 plus 3/10 equals. We've got the same denominator here and here, tenths on both sides. So we know if we add them together, we're going to have an answer that is also going to be in tenths. And then we simply just need to add them up. Then it's 5 of these pieces plus 3 of these pieces. So we've got 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. So we have 8/10. If you want to see what it looks like with a diagram, we could have this box representing our whole, and it's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. If I colour 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 more of them, 1, 2, 3. We can see we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/10. Similarly with this one, we've got both fractions having the same denominator. So we know if we add them together, we can have an answer that is also going to be in twelfths. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have 7/12. If you wanted to, you could draw your own diagram for that one. Make sure that it works. This time I've got 4/6 plus 1/6. I know my answer is going to be in sixths. 4 plus 1 is 5, of course. So we've got 5/6. And it would look like this. So we've got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more, giving us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/6. And that's how you add fractions with a like denominator. I would suggest having got a few of these, get really good at them before you go into the next step. I'm making new content all the time now, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll put a link in the description to some other videos that might be helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.